Hello, this is Mary with Mango Math, and I'm here with Millie to give a lesson tutorial out of our middle school math kit. Make sure to hit our subscribe button to keep up to date with all things Mango Math. Keep, Switch, Flip is a game in which we're learning how to divide fractions. To start, there can be up to 4 players. They're going to each roll 4 dice, 2 with 6 sides and 2 with 12 sides. The 12-sided dice will be the denominators, the 6-sided dice will be the numerators. So in this case, I have 4, 6, 12, and 8. I can arrange those any way I want, meaning I can put the 4 with the 12 or the 4 with the 8, it doesn't matter. What I'm trying to do, and the goal of this, is to create the largest answer, being that of a whole number, fraction, or mixed number. So I'm going to arrange my numbers so that 4 is over 8 and 6 is over 12. If the students want to at any time, they can simplify these fractions. So I'm going to keep this first fraction. I'm going to switch the division to multiplication, and then I am going to flip the 6 and the 12. So I'm going to make this a 12 and this a 6. Now I'm just going to multiply across. So 4 times 12 is 48. And 8 times 6 is 48 also. So my answer then becomes 1, because 48 over 48 is 1 whole. So that's what I get when I do my board. The other students, based on their roles and how they put their fractions together, can have a completely different answer, but then we're looking at who has the largest answer. As students get better with this, they can then select any of these numbers to go into any spot. So this one would be a 5, an 8, a 12, and a 2. So let's say I do a 2 here, a 5 here. Let's say I do the 8 here and the 12 here. So I can mix these numbers up any way I want to, and then I'm going to follow that same process of I'm going to keep the first fraction. I'm going to multiply them now. I'm going to switch the operation, and then I'm going to switch those two numbers so that I have 12 over 8, and then I'm going to multiply across. I got 24 over 40, and I can simplify this down to 3/5. And then compare that 3/5 to the other players' fractions. Thank you for checking out our video and seeing how to play these great Mango Math games. Make sure to hit the subscribe button for more Mango content, and check out our website at www.mangomath.com.